Plain text. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a scandal that's shaking the very foundations of Zimbabwe. I'm talking about none other than the massive gold smuggling saga involving some of the highest echelons of the Zimbabwean government. Let's set the scene. Imagine tons of gold, literally millions of dollars worth, being smuggled out of a country. Now, why is this happening? Well, Zimbabwe faces tough Western sanctions due to alleged human rights abuses. The gold smuggling? It's a desperate, secretive attempt by some to bypass these sanctions and keep the economy afloat. But at what cost? According to an explosive investigation by Al Jazeera's investigative unit, and I mean this is the stuff of thriller movies, top officials, even relatives of Zimbabwe's President Emerson Mnangagwa are involved. They're using their positions, diplomatic channels, and a network of smugglers to transport gold across continents, all the way to places like Dubai. Here, the gold is refined and sold off, effectively erasing its shady origins. Now here's where it gets even more intriguing. One of Zimbabwe's diplomats, Hubert Angel, was caught offering to launder money using his diplomatic status. Can you imagine? Walking through an airport with bags full of illicit cash? That's exactly the kind of movie-like scenario we're talking about. And the president? Allegations are swirling around him too. Some smugglers describe him as a business partner, while others say they have to keep him in the loop about their operations. But as always, there's total silence from the top when asked for comments. This isn't just about gold and money, it's about the impact on the people of Zimbabwe. While a few enrich themselves, the country struggles with poverty and economic instability. The real gold, the people's rights and prosperity, seems to be forgotten in this high-stakes game of greed and deception. So what does this mean for Zimbabwe and the international community? It highlights the enormous challenge of tackling global corruption and money laundering. It's a tangled web that not only harms the citizens of Zimbabwe, but also affects the integrity of global economic systems. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's keep the conversation going, and perhaps together we can shine a light on these shadowy dealings. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.